Hi, this is Lexi.93201, and this is Jada. She is a female. I don't know how old she is, so neither do you. Now, Jada, we're going to show you, or we're going to do something. Sit, go. Bring him to me. Stop. That's the way she was born and raised, ain't afraid to stretch. Come straight. Shoot. That's the way she was born and raised. Let down, 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 down. Jangle. Pa. Sit. 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 Ah, oh, that hurt my knee. Sit. Paw. Paw. Paw, baby. Gosh, she hurt my knee so much. Anyways, well, this isn't my second one. If you're watching this right now, check out Jada's rocking that pose, and it's this Jada, not jdabug1. And I'm watching actually My Soul to Take, and it's with the Ripper and the River Team 7. Dun, dun. Well, I'm gonna go now. Jada, kiss the camera goodbye. Bye bye. I'm just kidding. Bye bye. Bye bye. Kiss the camera again, Jada, for the closing. Come on, baby. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, down, down.